I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by protecting yourself and the car. Disconnect the battery negative terminal to avoid electrical shorts, and make sure refrigerant is recovered legally or by a shop so you don't vent system gas. Once done, raise the Mustang about 1/2 foot and secure it on jack stands to access the compressor. Next, remove the serpentine belt and note the routing. This first phase prevents injury, preserves system integrity, and gives you clear access for the compressor swap. You'll now focus on the tough middle work. Label and disconnect the electrical connectors and clutch wire so reconnection is foolproof. Then loosen the refrigerant line fittings. Cap them immediately because a bit of oil and residue will spill. Have a pan ready. After that, remove the mounting bolts and lower the compressor gently. Don't twist hoses. Once out, inspect the mounting bracket, receiver dryer, and hoses for contamination or metal shavings, because they'll determine whether you install the new compressor with the specified oil charge so lubrication and pressure balance are correct. Torque the mounting bolts to factory specs and reconnect clutch wiring. Next, always replace the receiver dryer and O-rings to prevent moisture contamination. Then vacuum the system to about 29 in Hg for at least 30 minutes to remove air and moisture. Recharge to the OEM refrigerant amount, start the engine, and check clutch engagement and hoses for leaks. If pressures are off,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.